This is a tutorial for my beginner budget spreadsheet, which you can buy on Etsy for $3. Check out my link below. So this is a spreadsheet designed for beginners that are trying to figure out where exactly are they spending their money, how much can they save with their money going in and out right now, and to help you visualize where maybe you can change things by either reducing some expenses, or maybe you need to find some way to increase your income in order to achieve a certain financial goal. So let's start by putting in some numbers for income. The other income line is for side hustles, if you have any. For some of these that change from month to month, try and determine an average. Maybe what you can do if you're not sure how much you spend on food each month is you should go through a month of bank statements for a typical month and add up all your grocery spending. And then I would recommend having a separate line for eating out, and maybe make this groceries, because maybe you're spending way too much on eating out and you didn't realize. Look at that. With this situation, this person is actually spending more than they make because they're eating out too much. So maybe if they eliminated eating out to only once a week, maybe this would only be $200. Now they have a disposable income of $445. Now this is going to take your entire disposable income and assume that you're saving all of that, and you can look at the time period. So for example, how much would I save if I put all my disposable income in a savings account for a 0% return? In 3 years, I would save $16,000. If you could manage a savings account with a 2% return, that could be $16,500. You can change this number if you can find a better place to invest your money and see how that changes things. And you can change this number to put in whatever length of time in years that you want. If you have a specific monetary goal in mind, maybe you're saving for a down payment and you want to save $50,000 and you want to be able to save that in 5 years with a return of, say, 3%, then you need to be saving $771 a month. So you're not making enough here. So you have to determine what you're going to change in order to meet this goal. Are you going to find a place to reduce your expenses? Are you going to find a way to make more income? Or maybe you will change the time period. Thanks for watching.